Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it overnight and you will get rid of wrinkles and fine lines permanently. This magical remedy get you rid of sagging skin, any kind of wrinkles, fine lines, all skin related problems, any aging appear on your skin. This remedy will get you rid of it. It is super effective. All you need to do is apply it on your skin and go to sleep. In the next morning you will be amazed with the result. It is super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines naturally without causing any problem. It's super effective. It's better than laser and it's better than Botox. It's all natural and works 100%, and you will get baby looking skin. The wrinkles will vanish literally and you will be amazed with the result. The first thing we need in a clean mixing bowl, we need around 2 teaspoons of baby oil, and here I have Johnson baby oil. You can add any baby oil available for you. Add around 2 teaspoons of baby oil. Then we need to add 2 capsules of vitamin E, and here I have vitamin E, 1000 milligrams vitamin E. You can add any vitamin E you do have available. Add 2 capsules of vitamin E. Cut the capsule like so with a pair of scissors and add all the oil. Then my friends, we need to add a magical ingredient which is around 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, and Vaseline is super effective in moisturize your skin and get you rid of wrinkles and fine lines naturally. Add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline and mix well these ingredients. We will end up with this serum. It's like a serum. Now my friends, we need to add around a half teaspoon of coffee. Here I'm using dark ground coffee. Add half teaspoon of it. Coffee contains natural caffeine and it enhances the blood circulation in your skin and will get you an amazing results, my friends. Now mix well all the ingredients like so. Now our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin like that. Dip your fingertip and massage the skin with it like so. Apply it on your face, on neck, on hands, on any place that you do have wrinkles and fine lines, and leave it overnight. In the next morning you will be amazed with the result. The wrinkles will disappear and you will get glowing skin naturally. Your skin will be tight and you will get rid of sagging skin.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.